guys, so I bought this shirt yesterday. It says Weekend Vibes. It's like a hoodie with a tie and it's so soft and cozy, but I thought it was really cute. I wanted to show you. I got it at Bell's Outlet. But today is Sunday. We are packing today. We're going to Beech Mountain, North Carolina tomorrow for a family ski trip. We're really excited, but my allergies have been going crazy because everything's kind of blooming already in January because it's been like 70. So my allergies have been pretty bad for the last few days, but we're packing today. So I want to share something with you guys. We have been having so much trouble getting Reagan to do her pre-K homeschool work. She hates doing book work. So we've been hearing about ABC Mouse for years. My oldest daughter used it a little while she was in public school in like 1st grade, but I knew you had to pay for it. And I was like, I'm not paying for that. I've already bought curriculum, but it's just really a struggle to get her to do book work. So my husband bought her ABC Mouse yesterday and she is loving it. So I'm so excited and I wanted to share it with you guys.
So much and win so much. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are you winning? She's already got 194 points in like 20 minutes. That is amazing, Reagan. Great job. Do you like this game?
Yeah.
Click on the next activity.
I am winning so much.
Yes, you are.
To find some special butterflies.
It's because I love this game.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it. You're doing such a good job.
How many you got?
Minecraft is not easy. This one is easy.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
So little buddy's ready for a nap. So we're gonna go get him down for a nap. Almost 200.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. ABC Mouse is for ages like 2 to 8, I believe. Highly recommend. We are loving it so far. So
We just got it a few days ago.
Today, we got it today.
Well,
So we're loving it so far. Hopefully it will help us catch up on our pre-K work with Miss Reagan because she refuses to do book work most days. So I just read her stories. But this might actually help her substantially. So I forgot to vlog, but we are headed to, sorry, we're at a gas station. Lots of people are like walking by. It's a really busy gas station. But we are headed to Boone, North Carolina. I haven't been there since I was like 16 and I'm almost 30, so it's been like a while. But I used to go there every year for Christmas. And then I used to go with my youth group there to Beech Mountain to go snowboarding every year. And the last time I went with my mom, I was 16 when we went to Beech Mountain. So we're going to Beech Mountain again for a little family get together with Wes's family. It was actually part of our Christmas present, so we're all excited, but it's a longer drive for us than the rest of the family because they already live in North Carolina and we're in Georgia, so it's a 6-hour drive for us. So we're going up today and it's been raining and storming, so I hope the weather's good when we get there. My allergies are crazy right now, so like I'm all stuffy, so I apologize for my voice. But anyway, we're going to hopefully be able to ski, snowboard, tube, ice skate, all that stuff. So I'll vlog that for you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video.
I won't get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side, so let it
Second, we made it.
Make some grilled cheeses. We got these Hello Fresh boxes.
Don't knock your brother off.
And they send you a meal that
Hold on, baby. Here's the kitchen.
Let's go upstairs.
Here's my Edna, who I miss so much.
Oh goodness, we need to be walking.
Y'all's room.
Mom,
Cool.
let's go upstairs.
Well, I want to see this part first, then we'll go. Ooh, fancy. Look at this pretty bathroom.
Let's go upstairs and see the bathroom and the room. There's 2 beds upstairs. One for me and Sissy, and one for you and Daddy.
Are you so excited? Let's see the shower. Ooh.
Actually, I think you can, Dad can't fit with me.
I love this. This makes me want to redo my kitchen. Mine ain't nice enough. Look at it. It's got sparkly granite counters. Look at that baby. He's like, get me out of here.
Mom, you really need to see upstairs.
Is this a massage chair? I'm going to be here the whole time, right
You
here.
need to see upstairs.
Yeah.
This is my room.
No.
Laundry room. Cool. Little bathroom. Here's our shower. Why is it not focusing? I'm so sorry. My autofocus is being kind of weird. Here's the girls' room.
Yeah, by the time I got out there, it'd be 9:30.
Hi.
Careful. Hey,
I see you up there.
be careful. Are y'all staying up here?
Yep.
Is this your room?
Yep. This is what I sleep in. That's where Sissy sleeps.
You think so? Oh my goodness.
The floor. I can't believe that we're staying here.
Are you so happy to finally be here?
Yeah.
I'm just setting
The
up
floor
right
is so soft with no shoes on. You can put your shoes right here.
Look at Luca down there being cute. Hey, darling.
Come look at yours and Daddy's
Baby bed.
bedroom.
I think your
This
bedroom's
one's
right
bed-
in front of the
Hold on, what's this? Is this a bathroom?
Mom.
closet.
That's a bathroom.
Mom.
There's a closet.
Mom.
Yes, baby. I think they're excited.
Show you the other room where you and
I saw it.
Right there in front of the
All the
stairs.
bathrooms are the
Yeah,
same.
you can have to walk.
Oh, this one's got a cute little bathtub up here.
I wanna feel
Love the subway tiles.
bedroom.
Very nice and clean.
So good for me.
Uh-oh.
This one feels so good.
Did anybody check to see if there's like towels and stuff?
Oh.
Because I didn't know.
Towels.
Okay.
And
I
Megan
didn't.
has towels.
All right. Well, when you use one, you hang it up on the shower because I didn't pack any more, so we'll have to
And there needs
Right in here.
use the same one.
Charger, you put that on your bed.
There's a few more towels up here in this closet.
I'll put it right here. Put my tablet charger. Oh no, I forgot my tablet.
It's okay. We still gotta unpack the car. Calm down. Oh, and there's a rocking chair in here. I can rock my baby in this little rocking chair.
Two.
Yeah.
There's a pink one and I want to feel. Oh, this one's itchy. This one can be for Daddy and Daddy.
All right. Do not knock him over, please.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Hey, you want me to get you? Quit cutting the lights off. Hey, bud. You playing toys? You happy to be out of that car seat? I'm sure. Here, let's get this out of the way. Reagan, we're not gonna be jumping on the couches now. Stop. Get down.
I'm not jumping on the couches.
Okay.
I'm just trying to cut off this side.
No, we need the lights on so we can see.
Fine.
Fine. Alright, y'all know I brought the Hello Fresh with me, so I'm gonna make these chicken fajitas tonight. Chicken cheddar fajitas. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's done. All done. So here's what it looks like. I can't wait to try this. So delicious.
All out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark. Make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
Oh, yeah.
Let it all out of me.
Hi guys, so I just got ready for the day. I just nursed Luca here, but so there's been a change of plans. Our family was supposed to meet us here today. They live about 3 hours away from here, and they called and they were telling us the weather it's been raining here all day, like I said, and it's supposed to just keep raining and storm the rest of the time for our trip. So we're not going to be able to ski or tube or do anything, hiking, nothing, because it's going to be like not just rain but storms. So we have decided we're going to leave in the morning and head south to go visit our family, and we're all going to meet up at Great Wolf Lodge near where I'm from. So if we're able to do anything else here, I will vlog that, but it's unlikely. I think we're just going to go get something to eat and start packing up tonight so we can leave in the morning, because it's supposed to start storming early tomorrow. So I think we're going to go get some lunch and do all that and just hang out at the house because it's supposed to rain all day. So there won't be much of a mountain vlog. I'm so sorry. I hate it too. Like, I was so looking forward to like taking the girls tubing and skiing and all that stuff and hiking. Like, we had all that planned, but it's just not going to happen. So the next best thing is Great Wolf Lodge, and the kids are super excited about that anyway. So we're going to go to Great Wolf Lodge for a few days, and I will vlog that, of course. So see you there.
Pictures with you?
Yes, you are. Get this back in the creek. Look how pretty. You don't have to. I want to. Look. Oh, there's trash. You don't have to come over here. Stay right there. I'm just getting a video. Wow. That's pretty. Look, see that bridge right there? What's wrong? Oh, you want to come down here? You do or you don't? Okay, I got you. Whoa, big jump. Careful.
We're over here. By the creek.
Look, we can go this way.
Come over here.
I haven't been up here yet.
Right here.
I haven't
Yeah.
even been on the porch.
Look, come look at the ski slopes. Riley hadn't seen the ski slope.
Oh, really?
Don't run though, she slipped and fell.
This is really good sugar.
You're a really good sugar. Sip.
Look, a circle. I'm going to contract with them now. I'm charging them.
Look, girls, look at the mountains over there. Alright, well, I can't look anymore because I'm going to be scared. Oh! Yes, I was, and now I remember why. Shoot! Look at that big building up there. Is that a hotel over there?
Yeah.
What? It looks horrible, but that's scary. No.
Control button right here. Right
This
there.
little boy who didn't want
Press
to
control.
sleep last night
Just here,
is asleep.
have fun button. This here sideways button. Look, it says right there, do skids. Do skids.
No.
The road sign back there even said do skids.
Mom, I got this toy horses.
Okay. There's a store up here too.
Gentleman wings.
At the top of the mountain, there's a place called Land of Oz. It's like a Wizard of Oz theme park.
I want to go up there.
No, Ryan.
There's this empty boxes.
They've got some cool train sets downstairs that look like super old, but super cheap.
Luca.
I'm gonna go look at.
Reagan, is she with you?
Daddy found some cans.
He did.
Yeah. Ooh. Mom,
What?
look what I found.
What did you find?
Come here.
Where you at?
Over here. Come here. I kind of want that,
Oh, look at that mug. That's cute.
Mom, I want.
Alright, I'm gonna push you. Ready? Oh, not working. Yep. Watch out! There we go. Go! Whee! It doesn't work unless you're on your belly, I guess. Reagan, you could start from up there. Come over here. Come over here. I can't. You have it.
So hard to put them.
Here we go. So it's still raining. We're getting ready to head out now. Silly girl.
This is where clothes used to be.
It's for a flagpole.
Yeah.
No, they might be poisonous. Don't touch them. We don't know for sure.
Okay. Now let's go.
Yeah, you can't see it.
You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all
Alright, don't come any farther, Sherry.
They drove a lot.
Look at the mountain.
Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me.
What names on it that
I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back.
Don't climb on this, you could fall. Alright, you ready?
Maybe you'll make
Ready to go?
up your mind now
Did you look at the
I'm
mountains?
here by your side.
No, 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 no.